leaving Elk City, headed to Magruder. Should be a long day all the way to Derby. Oh my God, dude. What the fuck? Alright, so this is all leading out of Elk City. And she told us where to camp if you were just coming into Elk City. Oh, 8 miles up this road, she said. Which we will not be camping there, because it's early in the morning and we are headed out. Now, what's the story behind Magruder? There was a massacre? I don't know. Isn't there a historical site that'll tell us that? Okay. Yep, will do. Learn a little history while we're out on the Idaho BDR. Woohoo! There's a bit of logging going on. All on Magruder here, and they are deforesting. Just a rejuvenation of the forest. It is slippery with all the gravel they've laid down, and look at this, pristine back in here, boys. Yeah, it is, isn't it? That, sir, is a true statement there ever was. It is a perfect day so far. Look at that burned forest down through there. Unbelievable. They're smoldering over there on a couple of ridges over there. You know, since I am filming, and we are talking about our friend Chad Warner, for all those out there in YouTube land, Chad Warner, who's done all these BDRs, has the legend and the lore of cutting 22 trees down to get his bike through this. Now, based off of what we're seeing, there's no trees laying across here. Chad, you're full of crap. Come on, man. Yeah, hey, or thanks, Chad, for clearing all the trees out, because this looks pretty snazzy in here. He did a hell of a job clearing this out for us. Yes, exactly. Oh, Chad. Chad, we did not find your axe here so far. We will be on the lookout for Chad's axe that he lost. But I believe he said he lost it going to the Washington BDR. So this is 100 miles on Magruder. And desolate, nothing, nowhere, nothing. Right? Just a big giant burn of trees, unfortunately. Again, we continue. But flowers are pretty. Again, we're coming down a little bit. We're only 6,300 feet. But it seems like we stay on this shelf the whole time, doesn't it? Let's not get too crazy going into the curve since I'm on the left-hand side, and I should be riding right per BDR rules. You gotta love the cross ruts. Right into a sand pit here, guys. Hold on. I am not comfortable right there. There we go. Okay. It's a nice climb. Kind of like it on this side of the mountain where you get a little bit of shade. It is beautiful with the greenery and the flowers and all that stuff coming up through here. Still climbing, baby, still climbing. You gotta be just a little left to this right so you don't clip too much of those bushes coming up. Oh yeah, look at this, baby. That's great out there. That's beautiful. The outlook's coming up here. So Greg, we'll get our outlook in. After that epic fail, back on Magruder here. Now what I will say is this is a lot longer than Ophir. Yeah, but not that section, just that one section though. Yeah, we didn't climb it. Well, I thought, you know, I don't know. I mean, I think either way, going down or up on Ophir's rough. I wonder what that is. Yeah. That's a beauty. Coming to the end. Looks like they've had some road erosion. Very nice. Want to hop in the water there, Sparky? Hello, hello, hello. All right, so what do you guys think today? We did Magruder, right?
Awesome. Massacre. I have one big wrist and one little wrist.
And that would be from
the Burnt Knob attempt.
The attempt at Burnt Knob.
The Burnt Knob attempt was no bueno.
No bueno.
Not on big bikes.
Nope. When Matt
not loaded big bikes, that's for sure.
Definitely.
Matt made it the furthest, but again,
it still was an epic fail.
Discretion became a better part of valor, and we turned back before all our shit broke.
All right, so
I broke some shit, and I have a sign for that too, by the way, on my bike.
So, what was the other highlight today, you think?
Some of those Magruder climbs were amazing.
Magruder was awesome.
Magruder is more than just a quote-unquote trail. It's up mountains, down mountains. Lunch on the edge at 8,000 feet.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, lunch was good. Lunch. That taking that break there was pretty awesome.
Almost took a nap. Probably wouldn't have been a good idea to take a nap.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Garlic olives we bought at that little store. That was good.
Yeah.
Garlic olives. Yep.
Garlic olives. What else did we have? Oh, we had tortillas,
peanut butter,
salami,
and provolone.
And then we had salami.
We had a grapefruit because we're healthy.
Yep.
Try to be healthy here.
Trying to be healthy on the BDR.
Yep.
But yes, Magruder Pass, I would say what? What would you rank it? I mean, what would you give it? 6, 7, 8, 9?
7 out of 10, yeah.
I'd say 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. What do you got, Dan?
Fun-wise, not difficult.
7. Not difficulty, but 7 out of 10. Beautiful, absolutely cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Amazing stuff.
And it's how many miles?
$1.50?
I don't know.
No, it wasn't $1.50.
No, the whole section.
Yeah,
The section's a
150.
buck and a half, but the Magruder was probably 75, 80 miles.
Something like that, yeah.
And you're out there in the middle of nowhere.
No.
Yeah, you have nothing.
No escape.
There's nothing. There's nothing.
I'm drinking a pop.
Not one.
You're allowed to drink beer on YouTube, I think.
Saying, well, you
Okay.
It was great.
completely destroyed me for saying pit toilet the other night.
And we met up with a couple guys, Montana guys. We met
Yeah,
Canadian.
they were cool
the
guys,
DC
man.
Guy, DC guy on the CRF
Yeah.
came from Washington, D.C.
Give him props, but he was on his
300 CRF 300.
CRFL rally.
Yeah.
He rode out here from D.C. D.C., not British
Oh
Columbia.
no, I thought he said BC.
No,
DC,
DC,
District of
We
Columbia.
thought it was British Columbia.
He rode his
He
300
rode his
CRF.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3,000.
Oh, I thought he said British Columbia.
I mean, that's just north of here. A little bit.
That would have been nothing, but he came from the East Coast,
Yes.
so he's bad.
That's why he was laughing at
Okay.
us.
Solo.
All right, so folks, that is section 5 done.
This is the Lolo Creek National Park campground.
Yep.
Chilling. It's great.
Yep, pretty cool.
12.
Off Route 12. All right, well, day 4 is done. We got 5 sections, 4 days. Tomorrow, Lolo.
Lolo. Let's go.
Idaho and potatoes, salami, pepper jack. Awesome. 1 minute. 1 minute after you boil.
That's it, folks. Later. Bye. Oh, this is a good one, boys. That was about as smooth as silk right here. You guys all right? Woohoo!